Hi guys, it's me again, Mel from Cirrus Global Incorporated, and today I'm going to give you another Cirrus Global tip. We have receiving tons of questions on how to apply, and today I'm going to teach you the most convenient and easiest way to apply, which is online. Say convenient because you don't have to spend money and effort going to the office, but you would still receive the same feedback from our recruiters via email. And here are the 7 easy steps to apply online. Step 1. Go to Cirrus Global website. Step 2. Scroll down and choose your industry. Step 3. Choose your desired position, then click View More Details. Step 4. Enter your email address, then click Send. Step 5. Go to your email, then get the verification code. Step 6. Enter the verification code, then click Verify. Step 7. Fill out the form completely, then click Submit and create my account. And you will automatically receive an acknowledgement email. That's it! It will only take us less than 30 minutes to submit your application. Easy and convenient.